HCF we will revise today. See, whenever two numbers are given to us, right? For example, I have taken the number 125 and 65. Okay, we need to find the LCM and HCF of particular these two numbers. So what we are first step, find the factors of 125, that will be 5 into 5 into 5. Find the factors of 65, 5 into 13. Apart from 5 and 13, there is no other factor present for the 65. Now, what is HCF? HCF is a thing in which only partner factors can be allowed. For example, if a particular number is having a partner in second numbers factors, then only that particular number can enter in the HCF column or HCF party. Otherwise, that particular number is not allowed to enter into the HCF. Okay, but what is LCM? LCM is a broad-minded term, okay, in which partners can also come, and the numbers or factors who don't have a partners, they can also enter. For example, if you see in this 125 and 65, only 5 number is there who is having a partner in other terms factors, right? Whatever these term factors are there, in which only 5 is having a partners. So that 5 enter down in HCF column, HCF row. But in the LCM, this 5 is having a partner that came. Now, this second 5 is there. It is not having a partner at downside. So still that 5 we have enter here. Now, this last 5 is also there. He is not having a partner here, but still that 5 also we have accommodated. Now, this 13 is there. 13 is also not having a partner above. So that 13 also we have taken here. Means LCM is a multiplication of such factors, those factors who are having a partners or else they don't have a partner. Both the terms can come. Now the multiplication of this all is 1625. So we can say the LCM of 125 and 65 is nothing but 1625. Okay, this is all about the HCF and LCM of a number, how we can find. Now the most important thing today we will see, that is how we can find the LCM or HCF of a variables. Okay, now if you're able to see, the first example is having x cube y square. This is my first term. And second term is mine x square, y square and z. Okay, so we need to find the HCF of them and LCM of also them. Now first find the factors. Now what is the factor of x cube plus x cube into y square? Now x cube is there. Whatever power is there to the particular variable, always remember that times you need to multiply the variable with each other. X cube it is, so 3 times x will be coming. Y square it is, so 2 times y is going to come. Downside x square, y square, z, so 2 times x, 2 times y, 1 time z is coming. Right? Now what is my HCF? HCF is a multiplication of the factors which are having partners. Okay, so this x is having a this x partner, so that x enter into HCF row. This x is having this x as a partner, so that x is also entering in the HCF row. Now this one more x is there in the first term, but in second term only 2x were available, so that x we will not take. Now next 2y are there, and in 2y are here, so that 2y also we can take in the HCF row. So my HCF is going to be x square, y square. Now we will turn to the LCM. जो भी आपका HCF है, that all will come into your LCM. Definitely partners are going to come. Now the numbers or the variables which are not having partners, for example, this one I have marked with a black star, and this z which are also I have marked with a black star. These two terms are there which don't have the partners, but we know that partners are not there. Still LCM is having a broad-minded concept that will take them also. So x is also coming, z is also coming, and hence your LCM will become 3 times x, which gives you x cube, 2 times y gives you y square, and 1 times z is only there, so that's why z. So your LCM is x cube, y square and z. So this is how we can find the LCM and HCF of a numbers also, and of a algebraic terms also.